Johnny, we picked up this wine yesterday, yes?
Right, and at the wine store in Reposto.
Yes.
Nice wine store. And it's called Para. And it is a blend. It's a Nero di Avola and Frappato. So we're gonna try it tonight.
Well, you poured a little bit in mine, and I like the color. It's not too dark or too robust. I wanted it light.
Try it.
Well, I can't film myself and try it, so.
I know. Turn it off and then film.
Okay, I will do that. Perfect.
You wanna try it?
Oh, I love those. It's not too dark. I wanted it light, but. Oh.
Does it need some
No.
aerating?
No, the legs are fantastic.
Ooh.
And it's just like, oh.
Oh.
Oh. You will like it. We're gonna have a little bit of that leftover fish we did yesterday. And we're gonna make a little bit of a salad with that.
Great bean salad.
And then some fruit at the end.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh.
Cheers.
Ciao. Okay, Joan. What do you think?
First of all, the legs.
Pretend you're either Lara or Andrea.
Sommelier.
You're a sommelier.
Wow, it's a very nice deep fish.
Yeah. It's got great nose.
Okay, here goes.
Yes.
Very nice.
That's going to be good.
Yes.
The crazy thing, it's just the two of us.
That's right, and that's perfect. It's a perfect evening.
No, those I bought shelled.
I know, but
Oh, yeah, I know.
we can.
Yeah, we can make those,
Can
yes.
you imagine? They shelled at the garden center. And you can
those
buy
are-
them shelled. Oh, that was at the jewelry.
This
of
was at the
course.
jewelry, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
so-
isn't that something?
Yeah.
Fresh.
But you pay for that.
I'm sure we did.
Wow. Add a little bit of peas to that. I'm just heating up the fish with the leftover zucchini, and that's all we need. The peas will be pretty much raw, but they're so good anyway. So. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Joey's making a great salad. To go with the fish, the wine. Right, Joni?
It's going to be delicious.
Yes. And you're going to use a little bit of those, the cucumber too, right, Joni? Onions. Perfect. And then we'll use a little bit of lemon, a little bit of lime. Lemon? Orange juice?
Lemon vinegar with
Oh, yes, mother vinegar, right. Perfect. All right. Ciao. Wow, Joni, that salad is amazing. That's the way salad should be, right, Joni? It's hard to explain, but it is just the way that is just the way we like it, right?
Yeah.
Crisp and no store-bought crap on there, right?
No.
It's great. Oh,
Good salt.
salads are amazing. Ciao. Wine is always good, no?